Ndatenga. Ndanyamula zimenezi ndanyamula. Three days. Ndakupatsani 3 days. Ngati amuna anu sabweretsa ndalama yanga pa 3 days ndibweraso. Musaganize kuti ndingobwera. Ndzanyamula inu. Komanso sikuti ndzangonyamula inu nokhayi. Ngakhale chimwana chanu ndi chimwana chanu chosayakula. Useless. Musini. Ine chimwana choponda pake ngati chimene chinzikala nacho. Ndakupatsani 3 days. Ndibweraso.
My daughter, you have to remember that you have 3 options, okay? Either you let that man, whatever he has said, to destroy you, okay? Or to weaken you. Or else you let what he has said to strengthen you. Remember, today we have finance at Malai Good Talent. And by all means, my daughter, you have to embrace, you have to have courage, and embrace Dr. Q on that point. Don't forget. Get up. What? Our hope is in you. If you win that prize money, not only me will be happy, not only you will be happy, but even your dad will stop running from those sheriffs. Okay? So you have to get ready. Next.
Can you please introduce
Yeah, I'm Mrs. Piri, and with me is my beautiful daughter. Her name is... With her challenge, she's going to recite a poem in sign language, and I'll be interpreting. Thank you.
You may proceed.
The warmth of her heart, the cares in her hands, the encouragement of her words, the energy of her love, the trueness of her feelings, the admiration of her patience. A rose does not bloom without water. A fruit does not grow without air to breathe on. A seed does not sprout without soil. A mother's love is indeed the sunlight to the sunflower standing tall in the field. So I lie awake nights and nights, wishing things I can change. I try to convince my deaf self, but it's all so strange. The nourishment to blossom and shine every day. Thank you, Mom. You allow me to see that disability is the inability to see the ability. I will always love you, Mom.
The winner is Nightbird.